Students, welcome once again in this YouTube channel. I am here with the same chapter of Standard 8 resources. In the last class, I have taught you about what is resources, what are the different classifications of resources. Now we are going through the development in the resources. Development. Human beings, it is very much important for resources are very much important for human beings. But its overutilization has made it has created many problems. One by one, we are going through these problems. First problem is depletion of resources. Overutilization has led to depletion of resources. For example, overutilization of petroleum has led to the situation where most of the countries of the world are facing energy crisis. Now the concentration of resources means resources are limited among few peoples, which has divided the society into two halves, haves and haves not, means rich and poor. Next is global ecological crisis. Overutilization of resources has made many geographical, environmental problems like environmental pollutions, global warming, depletion of ozone layer, etc. So to stop these problems, we have to use resources in some sort of way. We have to think about it so that it should not be depleted. For that, the first process is resource planning, which is our next topic. What is resource planning? Resource planning is a technique or a skill of proper and judicious use of resources, not illegally. As you all know that natural resources in India are also unevenly distributed. Somewhere you will find maximum like Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Arunachal Pradesh. These all are the places where maximum minerals are found. But they lack something else. Rajasthan, you will find well endowed with solar and wind energy, but water energy is lacking over there. You will find Arunachal Pradesh, water resources as maximum, but they lack infrastructural development. So Indian populations, they can be developed properly if we use the resources which are found in different parts of the world in a planned way. So what are the needs for resource planning? First need is most of the resources are limited in supply. As I have told you, it is not a free gift of nature. It takes maximum millions and millions of years to form these resources. So, most of the resources are limited in supply. That is why resource planning is required. Point number two, most of the resources are unevenly distributed over the country. Overutilization of resources may lead to pollution of environment. Underutilization of resources will lead to underdeveloped of the economy. There is a need to plan human resources, because only then we will be able to develop our natural resources. If we use them planning way, then only resources can be used for the development of a country or people. Planning of resources is required for self-dependent. We have inherited the resources from our past forefathers. So it is our duty to pass it to our coming generation. So resource planning is very important. So in this video, we have gone through two: resource development, if overutilization of resources, how it will affect, and what is the need of resource planning. So go through this again and again, write in your copy and prepare your note. Thank you.